Hey everybody, my name is Jordan. I'm with AED Professionals, and today we're going to go over how to clean your EOlife clinical unit. We're going to start by removing the one-time use flow sensor by just slightly putting pressure on the tab and releasing it. This is a one-time use, so you're going to dispose of this in your biohazard bin. Then we're going to take off the silicone case to expose the unit. We're going to leave the battery inserted when we clean the unit so that our 91% isopropyl alcohol does not ruin the battery. Then we're going to go ahead and lightly dampen a paper towel. And you're going to go ahead and clean the case as well as the unit. And then we're going to leave each piece to air dry. Clean as many times as needed. If there's any debris on the device still after being used, clean as many times so that it's completely free of debris.